Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read Coromandel Fisher poem further. He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in the breast of our lives. We read that it will be the hand of the sea god. The fisherman would live or die. He believes in God who holds the storm by hair. He believes the god, sea god, who saves his life. Let's start the third paragraph, third stanza. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove. And sweet are the sand at the full of the moon with the sound of the voices we love. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild forms glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge where the low sky mates with the sky. Coconut glade means the group of coconut trees. Glee, a strong feeling of happiness. Verge, edge, mates, joins together. Now the fisherman is saying about his place where the fisherman actually live. The hut where the fisherman lives totally covers with the coconut glade, coconut trees. The aroma, the scent, fragrance, aroma. The aroma of mangoes grove where you get the sweet smell. When the moon is full and the sand in the sea and all the beautiful things the fisherman loves. The poet is saying the fisherman like his surrounding, his neighborhood, which makes his place beautiful. But he also advised him that do not trap this thing because these things are temporary. These are not permanent. His true work is fishing. He gets sweetness when the water droplet which come on their face are permanent. The foam which are making in sea are giving a strong feeling of happiness. So you should have like this thing. In the end, he says that pack up your bags, but your journey is not end over in the middle in the sea. Your journey will be completed when you will reach on the horizon where the sea and the land joins together. Means the fisherman came back to his home. Okay student, I hope you have understood this chapter well, this poem well. Thank you.